enable Hey Siri or Hey Siri. As you can see, my Apple Intelligent is enabled, and if you press the side button, your Siri also turning on. How to enable this option? For that, go to setting, Apple Intelligent, talk to Siri. Just press on Hey Siri, press on enable Hey Siri, press on continue. Hey Siri, Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Once all done, then press on done. Now if you say Hey Siri, your Siri will be enabled, and if you enable the side button Hey Siri, your Hey Siri also enable as a side button. And if you want to enable the Apple Intelligent, like if you press the side button, as you can see, my Apple Intelligent is enabled. Or if you want to enable your typing Siri, then you have to go your Apple Intelligent Siri and enable this option, and once download complete, your Apple Intelligent or lighting Siri will be enabled on your iPhone 17 here. If video helpful, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.